Hello, I'm Todd Robbins, owner of Robbins Rehabilitation, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about communicating with us at Robbins Rehabilitation, how we communicate with you. This is such an important part of physical therapy, to make sure that everyone is on the same page. So we need constant communication back and forth to make sure that you're on the right path and you're getting towards your successful discharge. So you will be receiving possibly phone calls from us if we need some more information from you. So that's why we collect your phone number. If there's any changes in our schedule, we want to be able to contact you and make sure that you know when your appointment is. We'll do phone call reminders and we'll also do text message reminders. So that's why we ask for your cell phone information. It's important, you know, everyone forgets once in a while, I have an appointment. We want to make sure that you know when you're coming in and that we're communicating with you and we're all on the same page. We also email quite a bit, so it's possible you're getting this video in an email. So along your path of care, we're going to keep checking in, make sure that everything is on the right track and that you're moving towards recovery. We also send out different email about events that we're hosting or different like offerings that we have. So we're not going to send you a ton of email, but when you get an email and there's a video in it, it has to do with your course of care. So it's important that you take a look at it. You can also email your therapist. That's a good way to kind of contact us. Each of our therapists have their own email address, and it was sent to you, or you can get it at your first appointment. But you've likely seen an introduction video with the contact information of your therapist already. And we're going to continue to do videos like this. I want to make sure, again, that every one of our patients is on track and getting better. And following up with these videos is a pretty important part of that. I want you to look at them and get all the information that you need that maybe you forgot or just got kind of lost in translation there. So be on the lookout for more videos from us. If you have questions or problems, we want to get them answered. That is so very important. It really, hurts me if something's not going right and the patient didn't know who to ask, or the patient didn't know how to kind of like address it. And sometimes it's hard to ask those questions. Like, I understand that, but it's important that if you are confused about anything along the way, from your insurance to treatment to your scheduling to anything else, we need to know what the issue is so that we can fix it. That's what we're going to do. Our goal is to get you to successfully discharge. If you have questions about your insurance, all you have to do is call our number and ask for the insurance department. We have a dedicated insurance department that knows all of your benefits, can answer any questions about any bills that you've received. If you have a question about your explanation of benefits that you got from your insurance company, or there's something that you don't understand about your insurance, I need you to understand it. That's so very important. So reach out to us, reach out to our insurance department. Those are the best people to talk to because they're experts. That's what they do all day long. If you have questions on your schedule, again, call our office. All right? If you've got to move something around or make changes, the schedule's not working out for you, please contact us. Our schedule is very important. We have dedicated time set for you and for the rest of our patients. So if there's ever any issues with scheduling, please reach out with us. If you have any questions on treatment and what's going on in physical therapy, you want to contact your therapist, right? You want to ask them questions. You can ask them in the office when you come in, but you can also call our offices and you'll get forwarded right to your physical therapist if they're in the office. And email is also a good way to contact us. If you have questions about care or your home exercise program or anything, you have the email of the physical therapist that you're working with. If you have questions on anything else, if there's anything that's not going right that you feel like we could get better at, I want to know about it. I am very personally invested in our practice and what we're doing here, and I need feedback from you. We're not perfect. I want to be as close to perfect as possible and give you a great experience, but feedback from our patients is what makes us better. I am very dedicated to continuing to get better. We need to improve everything that we do so that we can grow as a practice and help as many people as possible. So I want you to contact me directly if you have any questions. You can call the office here or you can email me. That's a very good way to get a hold of me. It's todd@robbinspt.com. And I really encourage you to reach out with me, reach out to me. Whether it's, I like hearing good stories, but if there's something that didn't go right, I want to fix it, okay? I want to know that, and if I don't get that feedback from you, then it's harder for us to get better. So I really encourage you with any other issues or concerns about your care here, please contact me, and I promise to do my best to get it resolved for you. Thank you for listening to the video and learning about how to communicate with Robbins Rehabilitation, and I can't wait to get you better.